What's up, guys? It's your old pal Corey here. CinciNationStudios in the house. Hopefully y'all are doing good. It's absolutely beautiful out here, so we're out riding. I'm with my boy Anthony up there in front of me. Charlie know what the business is. Back out on the bike, baby bike. Charlie know what time it is. It's time to hit the streets. Yeah. Oh yeah. It is time to ride and fly like an eagle to the sea. Alright. Yes, it feels so good to be back on the bike. Ladies and gentlemen, we are on the bike once again. Moto vlogging it up. Guys, I'm telling you right now, there are going to be this vlog, another Moto vlog, and then the season finale. Unless the weather stays this way. If it stays this way and I can get more vlogs in, there'll be more than just 2. But if I can't, and the weather stays cold and rainy like it has been, I'm gonna have to do a season finale on a good day. I might even just, you know, pre-record it. But anyways, for now, we gonna ride. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I like it. I like it. What's good, fam? What's good? What's good, fam? What's good? I'm goopy as shit. Oh man, his tire is freaking low, bruh. Your tire is getting down to next year. You're gonna have to change that. That Dunlop tire is in need of serious replacement into a Michelin Pilot Power 3. Charlie know would have been the deal. Really? Really? Smart move there, buddy. Skirt. I gotta get gas. I gotta get gas. Oh yeah, stick at a red light. Oh, I love red lights. You know that? Psych! Red lights suck. But at least we're back on a bike. Good old baby bike. She's still running fantastic, fabulous. Never lets me down. Never. I gotta get some gas up here at the gas station. We're at 103 miles on this tank, which means I still got gas left, but we're gonna top her off. Go gadget, run! Go gadget, get some gas. V-Power, bruh! Ooh, I love the way gas smells. Filling her to the brim. $10.99. You could have got another cent in there, dog. Idiot, what idiot? I didn't know where I was at. Oh no, 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 we're turning left. No, no, no. Man, my bike is dusty. What? Yeah. Yeah. Look at them tires. Next year, bro, you're getting some Michelin Pilot Power 3s on the back of that block. You think that exhaust is loud, my friend? On a Ninja 650? You want to race for pink slips? I know you're gonna watch this video. Sounds good though, bro. Oh, it feels so good outside to ride. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It feels so good to ride outside today. What'd I say? It feels so good to ride outside today. But don't. Who are we waving at? What? Look at this rice burner. Say what? From bruh. VTech, homie. The heart of Hamilton Ghetto coming up. Just playing. So lots of car dealerships though. Hey guys, you can give your plasma right there for money. I think they give you $40 for your blood, but they drain it almost all the way, like to where you almost pass out. That's how much they take. It's not worth it. Get a job. Unless you're just donating for the cause, then you good. Yo, bro, he got his turn signal on, though. Now I know why he took that baffle out. He likes them backfire pops. Pop, 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 pop. $750 Li, nice. Dang, my lights are bright, bruh. Reflecting off that white Barmer. That BMW. Oh, this would be a fun time to lane split. Lane split. Lane split, bruh. Too bad your scalar rider don't work. I know you're gonna watch this. This would have been a good time to lane split. But no. Wiggle yourself right off that bike, homie. Psych! Don't do that. Please don't do that. Yo, yo, yo. Alright. You gotta pay attention. Everything. Watch everything. Watch your side. Watch your back. Gotta watch your back too. Because people be rolling up on you. You don't even know. God, this bike is fast. I don't even gotta hit. I'm in 5th gear, barely hitting the throttle. Still freaking. Hey, yo, whoa, whoa. That's why you gotta have loud bikes, ladies and gentlemen. Because if they don't see your super bright headlights, then you gotta let them know that you're here by downshifting and being loud. Oh yeah, loud sounds around. I like it. Lane split. Lane split. We could have got right up in the front too, bruh. $2.27. What do I pay for gas? I don't even remember. I swear to God, I thought it was 3 something though. I was probably wrong. It's probably like 287. If it's 227 for regular, it's probably 287 what I paid. Something like that. Oh yeah, it's a beautiful day to ride. Ride. Huh. Oh, I forgot to reset. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Right into the back of that Kia. No, no. Vroom, vroom. yeah, on the highway, going my way. Wave him on by, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. Those rain clouds better stay away. That's all I can say. Oh man, we're getting off here. We could have went the cool way, man. I'm down through Hamiltucky. Man. Oh yeah. Dip, duck, dodge, dive, whatever the F. Boom, 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 boom. At least we're hitting greens now. Sweet. Oh, there goes the mic adapter again. God dang it. Quit falling off, man. Mess up my whole freaking vlog. Goes into one lane, bro, so it don't even matter. Lean with it, rock with it, 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 lean with it, rock with it. Say what? Boom, leaning with it, rocking with it, leaning with it, rocking with it. Warming up them tires at 60 miles an hour. Leaning with it, rocking with it, yeah, He's got to go down into the second gear. With it. Oh, we cruising, we riding. Stay away from them rain clouds though, bruh. I ain't trying to get no sprinklies on me. Nah. 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 Oh, yes. Guys, if you don't have a bike, I'm telling you, get one. Because it's days like these, man, it feels good to be out on that bike, though. Already know though. I didn't know that was there. Carvin Village, Cavan Village or something like that. Oh no. What up, brah? Rolls. There's a Rolls. Rolls. GTA style. Rolls Royce. That looked like it's straight up right out of GTA, bruh. Yeah, with a chrome hood, though. Yeah. Yeah. Uh-huh. Another sheriff up there. Sheriffs everywhere. Oh yeah. Oh. Was you trying to get some of that saline, bruh? Was you trying to get on that saline? You weren't trying to race that saline. Liar! I bet you that's a saline body kit and a V6. He does have boost gauges though. Maybe they're voltmeters. About tour our new models, 3 and 4 bedroom. Oh yeah, let's go in here. Oh my God, he just did a little wheelie there. Yeah.
What? And they have people with the golf carts that go.
What a weasel! Traffic, looking for my chapstick. Oh. Bow, 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 bow. What am I saying? Bow, bow. Get it, get it. Oh yeah, what? Anytime Fitness. What? We like Planet Fitness, bruh. Muhaha. Muhaha. Traffic. Stuck behind a Golf. GTI. Goodbye. Goodbye. GT bye. GT bye. And then he's got a "We Are Hamilton" sticker. Oh, that is so cool. Oh my goodness. Vroom, 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 vroom. Stuck at a light again. I'm gonna cut this scene again. get that burner, goodbye. You'd be reading my plate. What's that say? Killboy.com. What? Oh, what is going on? Madness. Yeah, like I was saying, y'all, enjoy these moto vlogs because there's not going to be much more this season unless there's more days like this where it's actually hot outside and not raining and storming. Okay, but anyway, I was planning on doing 2 more moto vlogs and then a finale for the season, which there will be a finale if I do indeed have to record it before I actually finish up this season. But anyways, with that being said, you know, there's a lot of stuff that is coming to the channel. You're gonna see the add-on and then another add-on that's gonna come onto that, and I'll explain that in another video. So yeah, there's a lot of production and new stuff coming to the channel, different variety of things, so just look forward to that. And guys, let me know in the comment section below. You know I'm about speed, you know I love this bike, Kawasaki ZX6R 158 to the rear wheel on the dyno. You know this bike is my dream bike, really. I love this bike. I mean, don't get me wrong, there's tons of other bikes. I would collect them if I had the money, but what I'm getting at is I really am thinking on getting a Nissan 370Z Nismo edition, probably a 2012, and turn that into a straight up drift slash race car, and maybe even turn this channel into a moto vlog slash car vlog, and then get into some rallies type deal. If you think that's cool, you want to see me do something like that, let me know in the comment section below. And if you got any other ideas on some cars you think that I would enjoy, put it in the comments as well, because next car I get regardless is going to be rear wheel drive, whether it's a 240 with a 1J or 2J swap, or a SR20 on boost, or a Nissan 370. I will not get a Nissan 350Z, I just don't like them. You know, there's a possibility I would go with a Nissan 350Z, and that's only if you know, I really saw some potential in it. But other than that, rear wheel drive cars only. You know, maybe like a scat back Challenger. I don't know, leave it in the comment section below, guys. I've had, you know, I had my 99 SI, which you guys can find down on the channel when it first started. It's the only stuff I uploaded to the channel. But anyways, it used to be about that car life, now it's about the bike life. And you know, I got a good daily driver, but it's not a race car. So I want to definitely do something with the channel that way. Also maybe add some game commentary, you know, some video game commentary, like some GTA style stuff, you know, because I got a lot of stuff that I do want to show you guys. So anyways, I don't know how long I got left on this camera, so I'm gonna wrap the video up here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this vlog. Hopefully you guys are all having an amazing, beautiful, wonderful day, living your lives to the fullest. Expect a couple more moto vlogs. I don't know how many. I was thinking 2, but if the weather stays nice, we might get more. But anyways, the season is coming to an end, which sucks because I love being on baby bike. But anyway, like I was saying, guys, do you, be you. Wake up every single day, be the best version of yourself. If you're riding, ride safe, ride and have fun, but watch for everything and everyone on the road. I love you all, and do not forget to keep it real, speak that trust, and peace in the world.